Undergo. He underwent surgery for his back pain. I am undergoing a lot of stress right now. Encircle. A crowd of reporters encircled the politician. The fans encircled the celebrity for an autograph. Enlarge. Please enlarge the picture on the computer screen. The map was too small, so I enlarged it. Harass. He was harassing me at work, so I reported it. He was harassed by his classmates at school. Penniless. I am penniless after paying my all bills. He was penniless when he lost his job. Blissful. After a good meal, I feel blissful. We spent a blissful week together. Applaud. Everyone stood up to applaud the singer. We applauded when she won the prize. Assort. She assorted the clothes by color. The store manager will assort the new products by category. Behold. They are beholding the stars in the night sky. Behold, flowers are blooming in the garden. Beseech. I beseech you to forgive me for my mistake. Stay a little longer, I beseech you. Confine. The prisoners were confined to their cells. I was confined to my room because I was sick. Quil. She coiled the rope neatly after using it. He uncoiled the garden hose to water the plants. Unwind. He goes for a walk to unwind after work. She takes a warm bath to unwind before bed. Deflate. Please deflate the ball after the game. He forgot to deflate the tire before fixing it. Embarrass. I was embarrassed when I spilled my drink. I didn't want to embarrass you in front of others. Gamble. I stopped gambling because I lost too much money. Don't gamble with your future. String. I tied the package with a string. He pulled the string to close the curtains. Ephemeral. The rainbow was ephemeral, disappearing soon after the rain stopped. The morning dew is ephemeral, vanishing as the sun rises. Ubiquitous. Social media is ubiquitous, appearing everywhere online. Video games are ubiquitous among kids these days.